we have a market that is pushing to the upside, just like this. Then markets come to the downside. Sometimes you're gonna see market before making a movement, maybe market start doing something like this. Then at the end of the day, market push to the upside. So anytime you see market return back to this zone, the zone that we have here, then this is when we're gonna take another buy position. But at the same time, if you pay more attention to this area, voila. At the same time, if you pay more attention to this area, you're gonna see there is what we call those manipulation, because this one here is the SEC, the one that is there. So what is these things of writing? Okay. So the one you're gonna see on this area is
SSE.
Yeah, so is a supplier, a significant supplier engulf. Then they engulf this area. We know we have our structure. Structure is on top. That is where we have our II. Then down here, you can write something like this. So where do we focus when market is coming? Yes, we have a break of structure. We have a BOS is happening on this zone here. The BOS is up and there. Then in our mind, we need to look more into this zone here. This zone is our zone where we have to look and to focus more so that we don't go on the wrong side of the market. Then you're gonna see market is gonna come. But before even we take a trade from this zone, what do we have to see? We have to see either markets. So I'm just combining things, all of them together, so we don't take more time. You're gonna see we need something like this. Let me just make this. So you're gonna see
manipulation 3D.
Yeah, sometimes maybe we're gonna need 1, 2, 3, then we buy. So we have this one touch, second touch, and the third touch that's come on this zone. When you see market already give you first touch, second touch, this is why you see people, like today I was in Facebook, I was just taking a picture. Someone is doing also, is trading this strategy. So he's already marked this level, the level 1 and the level 2. Then you see market was going to create a level, like create a place where they will start buying. It was GBP, GPY. GBP, GPY, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was a sell position. So that person put so many orders here. So many orders, imagine all this level. And good luck for you, market gets on this area, then market shoot to the upside, market just drop. Then I'll show you the other side, market continue. So we wanna see something like this. Or what we have to see is market doing something like this.
Accumulation.
Yeah, the accumulation, or we call it in a simple way, is a momentum line. So you connect your line from this area, you put your line to the downside, then you start looking at how market is going to react to this line. But at the same time, if you understand structure, what the people they call structure, why I always tell people to not follow the trends, but to follow structure. You see, so like on this area here, you're gonna see market is gonna give you higher high, let's say lower high, lower high. Then you start marking also. You check this one is your last lower high. Then market give us the lower low. There is a question someone asking the group there saying, how do you get, I think it was 50% to confirm the swing high and swing low? So I'm gonna try to explain to you so that you understand that. Let's say we have something like this. This is our structure. Market is coming to the downside. Market push, market come to the downside. Market push, market come to the downside again. So for me, to validate this lower high here, to be valid, I need to see market give me a lower low. As long as I see market break this last lower low, already my swing level become, this is the swing high.
Swing low at the bottom.
It's when we Zoom meeting. Oh, okay. So this is a swing high and I have my swing low. Then this area become my focus zone. All this what's happened here, I don't give a damn about them. Because this one already show me a presence of a new one. So now my trade, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna focus in this zone. This is where I'll start looking for my sell or my buy position. Then if I start buying from this area, what I need to get a confirmation on this area before I get a buy, I need to see either market buy, like the one I explained to you here, market buy, break my last lower high, market return, confirm a decision level, the one that's supposed to be here. In this case, we have the SEC, where market return on the significant supplier engulf with a decision point that was there, market mitigate. Let's say you miss an entry from this area. Then what you're gonna do, you wait for the market to return on this zone, then you take another position here. If you have your initial position is there, then you take another position on this zone, then you continue with your market to the upside. So in this case, your swing is where you have your swing high and your swing low. You can even put your what, how do you call it? Your Fibonacci. You select this level to this high, this area here. This is why you see people from the one that they learn ICT, they'll tell you this is what they call the PDI array. So where they have the premium is on this zone, then we have the discount to the downside, and the equilibrium is somewhere here. Now what they are going to look is to see when market gets inside this zone, anytime on this zone, now they start looking if market can give them their block, if there is a inefficiency, those kind of entries on DP, the one that they're gonna have inside the premium. They know they are going to sell in the premium and they're going to buy in the discount. But if you follow the structure, let's say, let me delete these things. Why me I don't use these things of ICT? It's like this. Okay, we have our level is there. Let me take the Fibonacci. My Fibonacci is here. I have two zones. But this two zone is not like they just happen like this. So sometimes there'll be maybe something that was like this. Then this is what we call a premium level. We have a discount and we have equilibrium. Remember, one thing that we are following here is a structure. So if market is going, market is going to the upside, get to the 50%. Yes, we're gonna have a retracement. Market is gonna return. Then market, again, maybe is gonna buy from this area because this zone here is our zone where we need to start looking for a buy position. Then market is gonna continue buying. Then market gets on this area. Then market doing what? Market gets a level. Let's say here we have the IFC candlestick, the one that is there. Then from the IFC candlestick, then you see market start doing what? Market start selling. Then for people that are using these things of PD area and other stuff, for them, this is a discount area. This is a premium. What are they going to look? They're going to look for a buy position on this zone. I don't know if I'm right.
Yeah.
Then guess what? Market gets on this area.
Sell position from the premium.
You're saying?
I said they will now sell from the premium.
Sell from the premium and buy from the discounts. But we get a level. What is our target? Our target is on this zone here. That is our target. So in short, when you are trading, make sure you understand what is your swing high and your swing low. Anything that happened before, let's say like this, anything that happened from this area to this level, as long as market it's respecting this area to this zone here, then there is no any problem with you. You don't give a shit about what happened on this area. What is your main focus is these 2 points. That is your two focus. This is what we call a range. So I hope you get it properly.
Yeah, I guess it.
Then the second thing that I want to show you is just 2 things that I wanted because they're very important that I use most of the time in my trading. Is the second one is something like this. So you have market that is coming. Why first do we have the SDE? That is one thing I need to ask you. So if you understand why do you have the SDE, then you understand all the concept properly. Why do we have the SDE?
Oh, we have the significant demand level after after price break the weak base, like the weak hidden base. After price break the weak base, then price will have to come up, which is the phase 4. Price will have to come up immediately. Price come up to from that Philippine side. Then we have our SDE. Then price will move up to the SGB. Then we locate our decision point. Then sell back again.
Okay, let me give you in short so you understand it properly. And the way you're going to understand it, you're not going to get it wrong anyhow again. So let me give you a typical example. A typical example is this one. We have market that is pushing to the upside. Market give you something like this. Then market goes to the upside again. Market return, test this zone, push to the upside, maybe fail to give you the higher high, push to the upside again, then market get in that area, market break the zone, market return, then market sell. So if you check from this level, for you to understand why we are having the SDE, you need to have a base. That is when you are going to have the SDE. So if you don't have a base, then it's very difficult for you to have an SDE. So an SDE is market rally. I don't know if you know this topic of rally-based rally. Market rally.
Yeah, I know.
Market create a base, then market rally again. There is something that we call like this, market rally, market create a base. This is our base. Then market rally again. So what do we expect? We're expecting to have an FTB. FTB is first time back. So we're expecting market to return on this zone here, where market is going to give us a FTB. Then we're expecting market to do what? To buy and continue
to rally.
With the same movement, because we have a rally, then we have base, then we have another rally. Market return here give us the first time back. The first time back is when market return to test a zone of demand level or any significant level that we know. But if market now start coming back, test the zone, push to the upside, test the zone. Already this zone here, this demand start becoming weak.
Significant bit.
You see, it start becoming weak. The more we touch this demand level, the more we make it to become very weak. So when markets break this area, let me do something like this. When markets break this area, this is where the breaks happen. In short, I consider more SDE as another sort of a break of structure. So when SDE break this area, then this movement, the one we have here, the one that happened on this zone here, that is the one engulf this area. That is what we call a break, this one, break this area. So in our minds already, we arrange ourselves to see how market is going to return back to this zone. the one we have here. Let's say we have a decision point, the one that is there inside an SGB. We have a decision point that is there. Then you're gonna see, like what we know normally knows, we need to see market give us a sign. Because here we have the signal already, market break this area. Then we need our SOP to confirm that we're gonna sell. Then we get maybe on that area, then we do what? We sell crazy. So as long as we have this manipulation, then we know already what we are going to do. So these things like happen every single day in front of our eyes. It's just require us to make an effort of understanding them properly and keep them in our mind. So how do you have success in Forex? Like what I always tell people, how do you have success in Forex? Is you need to have your partners that you know, when I open my chart, first things I'm gonna look is the market structure. You identify your structure. Let's say when you open your chart, you find the structure maybe is going to the upside. You know, okay, I have the structures going to the upside. Maybe you find market is already break this level. For me, I'm not gonna buy already because I see something like this, maybe to buy from here. I'm not gonna buy. I'll keep my patience to wait for market to return to this area. When market return on this area, then I'll take my buy position. I continue free to the upside. I hope it's making sense, bro.
Yes, bro.
Then from there, when you are done with this, all of this market structure, the first things is market structure. Let's say you want to try to identify, okay, if you have this type of manipulation, because there are so many. Maybe you're gonna see something like this, market goes, break this area, you wait for it to return to this area, then you're gonna buy. Or what you're gonna see is market, let me just delete all this so that I draw again for you. Or what you're gonna see is market is buying, market come down, buy, come down, buy, come down. Market creates what we call the IMD. This is accumulation. Market manipulate this movement. Then market mitigate a level. Then market come to the downside. Or what you're gonna see again, market do something like this, break to the downside, push to the upside, return on the 50%, then continue again. We have IMD, we have manipulation, distribution, the one that happened here, market return to 50% of all this movement, then market continue again to the upside. It's so simple and straightforward. This is most of my partner that when I wake up in the morning, when I open my chart, then I start looking at them. Okay, what is that? Let me show you first of this movement. Let me do something like this. This is what again? This is V and this is V75. Okay. And also another thing that you need to keep in mind, more in mind, is about this, what do you call, the hidden base. This hidden base, they're happening like every single day in the market. And if you remember, you go back to the chart there, you see I share more about these things in the group and how they are working, how they're happening, I share about them. So if you can check on this area, you understand that we have a market that is playing inside one range. Where is that range? The range is here. This is our range. Because after we break structure, because to understand this, you need to go to the higher time frame. Then you get why I mean we're still in that range. Because from this point, this was our stop, market come down, market push. So this is our range where market is playing. because we never break any major structure. And market is still playing because here market was playing inside this range. This low, the one that gives us this high, market failed to come and break it. Then markets return again to the downside, failed to break this area, push to the upside. When we are pushing to the upside, then we print this area. So like if you check the way market is going to the upside, how do you know that you need to buy? Because after market fell from this area to break structure, from this area, let me go to H4 properly. After market failed to break structure from this area, how do you take your buy position? This is one thing also most of the people, they're failing to do. How do you take a buy position? You need to see this movement, the one that's happened here. You need to see where market show you a signal that, okay, I wanna go up. Market buy, market return. You see, market push to the upside, market come down. This area, we are buying, then we are going where? To the upside. Already we have a signal that show us this market, since it fell to break this area, then it's going to the upside. Yes, most of the people, if you go to low time frame here, you get another movement. You catch a proper movement here where market buy, sell, return, buy, then continue. You catch that movement from there. But one thing you need to keep in mind, when you are buying from this hidden base, the one I was telling you, you need to first focus is what is the swing high, because we have this low and we have this high. This is our range. Remember what I said. This is our range. When I'm buying from here, my first TP is this low, this high. This is why there is my first TP. Then I'll see how market is going to react to this level here. Then when I see market break this area, print a new high, what am I gonna do? Is to wait for a pullback. When I see a pullback, the pullback is happen here where market drop to the downside to come and confirm this area. I have my first entry here. My partial profit, I took it here. I can even take all my profit on this area. When market get down again, give me a proper confirmation of saying, okay, I wanna buy. You see, saying I wanna buy. Then what I'm gonna do, I'll just buy. Then I buy. My first TP again is on this level. Then I'll see how market is going to react. Then if you go to M15, you see a normal structure again on this area where market continue to the upside. Then what happened on this area, if you go to low time frame, let me go to low time frame. And remember, each time frame got its own structure. So if we go to low time frame, let's say H1, you see on H1, when we are going to the upside, we have a proper clear structure that is happening. And there is another concept that people, they fail also most of the time, is this movement that happened here. How do you call it? Bro.
This movement? This is accumulation.
This is the one we call a compression. We call a compression, and if you go a compression, like accumulation, the one who says accumulation, then if you go in the structure, how do you call this movement?
This is a PA.
This one is the one we call a complex pullback. Just keep it in mind. We call it complex pullback. Why I'm calling this one complex pullback? Do you see this low point here? Do you see this higher point? This is on H1, like what I told you on H1. This low is the one give us this, this lower high is the one give us this lower low. Do you get it?
Yeah.
This low here, lower high, give us.
It gave us the
So we have a valid range. Then market start buying. When market is buying, if you come on low time frame again on this area, you find again something like market drop, buy, break structure, return, then continue. This is what you need to follow in the market like every single day before you take your trades. Then your main focus on this area, you catch your buy, you go to H1, you understand, okay, my H1, the eye is where, this is where we have the eye on H1. Market break this level. Market push to the upside break. Then market, if you can check properly, market give you, let me go to low time frame again, so that you can get it. What is that area? Let me delete this. If you go to low time frame, you understand something like this. This is M30. Now check on M30 structure. On M30, we have another structure. You see, we have this I. When markets come down, markets break this. This is M15. If you go M15, you find the structure here. This is the lower low. This is the lower I.
Lower high.
Give us this lower low. Markets break this area, return to mitigate this level. We buy, we break again this area, we come down again, we mitigate this area, we buy. This is M30 structure. Remember, we are inside H4 structure, but in H1, we have also M30 structure. So for you not to confuse the big picture of the market, what is happening, we know the big picture on the H4, we're still bullish. But on the low time frame, market is doing this other business just to do what? To confuse people with. Then market prints a higher high, the one that is here. We have another high where market never returned to test. Market break H1 structure. This is H1 BOS. Market return, give us the higher low. Market push to the upside, give us another higher high. But what is this? This is the last higher low, this one, the last higher low. Now check on this last higher low. What do you see? We have a base that market creates.
There is a base.
We have a base that market creates. This is a rally. Yeah. Hidden base is there. Base. Market rally again. Market run for the first time.
A base.
You see, we run for the first time. We test the zone. We push to the upside. We create another higher high.
Higher high.
At the same time, inside that base, we have what we call the higher low. Now, market push to the upside. The return again back. Confirm this zone. Push again to the upside. Market creates an SGB.
Yeah, SGB there. Because price is unable to break the higher high.
Yes, price failed to break the higher high, then market comes to the downside. When market comes to the downside, we know already, this is what we need to keep in mind. This is our last higher low. We have a break of structure here. We can say break of structure. Let us remove the SDE.
Yes.
We have the break of structure on this area. Then market push, market give us the SGB. So inside the SGB, our SGB is very big because if you can check all this part, is our SGB.
SGB.
And we have our last higher low. As long as I see market break my last higher low, at the same time on that higher low, I have my SDE. For me, why you more than anymore? So as long as I've got this area here, my higher low is confirmed, then I see a market is going to react, market break my SD, at the same time, my higher low. Then what am I gonna do? I'll frame my entry. Now I'll look, okay, what is the key level? The first things I'm gonna look is to see how market is going to sell from this block, the one that is there. Yes, market get there, touch, drop, then market start doing what? Start buying again. Okay, I have again this level. I can even place my entry inside this SGB. This is why you see some people, you fund their entries. They have so many entries on this zone. Why they have all those entries on this zone? Because they know this is their zone, significant zone, where they have to sell. And the stop
price
loss,
will drop.
Yeah, stop loss is on top. Is something that is 100% to know that because I have all the confirmation, I have all the signal, market is not gonna break my level. And the good part also of this one is market give me a compression when it was going to the upside. If you go to M15, you see a compression, the one who says accumulation.
Compression.
Accumulation is here. Do you see? Another signal to show me that I'm gonna sell. Then market gets there. I have my order, fill all this area. Market mitigates all my order. My stop loss is here. When you are trading, another thing about psychology, when you are trading, you need to accept the risk. You know already, I'm taking maybe 5 entries on this level. Depend on your account. I'm risking maybe $100. So if that trade goes against you, how much are you willing to risk is $100. You are risking $100 in all this position. This is how you need to trade. This is how, you have to see things. Then from here, you have your entry. Where is your focus? My focus is here. For me to come and do what? And take my profit. Then I'll look again on the left side. Let's say this level here is also a significant level of institution. We have the candlestick that push to break this structure on H1. Then markets come to the downside. You see, here market creates what you call a SR flip. So RS flip, where resistance becomes support, market buy again, market get on this hidden base, market drop again. You see, market drop again, break this low point. As long as we have this lower high, we have, if we can check properly, I'll tell you, this was not, this is because this is the same continuation movement. This is the lower low of all this movement. Then market buy again, you see, market buy here, return to the downside here, fail to break this low, push again. Why? Because market is trying to go where we have the last lower high. Then market is creating another structure on itself to go to this area. We get on a certain level because this is where we have the break of structure. Market never return inside. Market return inside because of the inefficiency that is there. Then markets come to the downside. Let me delete this thing so we see properly. Markets come to the downside. We have another break of structure. This one become our lower low. This is our lower high. At the same time, lower high. At the same time, you're gonna see we have this momentum line. We're gonna shift it. We're gonna put it in. But this is the one I was telling you. It's a complex pullback. As long as markets haven't break, remember this lower low. As long as market failed to break this lower low, anything that I see happen on this area coming to the downside, it's a complex pullback, not until it break this area. Because I have H1 break of structure, anything that is coming down for me is a pullback for a continuation movement. Then this is why you see market gets on this area here. You see market gets on this area, then print this movement, they buy, they come down, they break these low points, they buy again. This is a lower high. They give us another lower low. This is the proper, if you go to M15, you see this structure. Then market break this zone, return, confirm the entry. Then we are going to the upside. But remember, if we are going to M15 to understand this structure on this level here, remember we have your M30 lower high. That market never break. See what happened? Market gets on this area, break the zone, return here, then continue with the movement. At the same time, market creates an SSE, the one that we have, SSE, significant supplier engulf, where market test, market break to the upside, return because of this hidden base. We do what? We buy. The target is what? Is the H1 IRI. The H1 IRI get broken, a complex pullback again to where? To the same zone, the one we have there. Markets continue again. Let me do something like this. Markets continue again where? To the upside. So every time we have a break of structure, what do? Wait for a pullback for us to take an entry. Break again the last IRI of H1. Market pull again inside in the small SSE. We continue again to the upside. So these things, if you check, they are just like happening every single day in front of our eyes. But sometimes we don't even pay attention to them. We don't even understand what is happening and how to get that. Like if you check this morning, this was before yesterday, I shared this trade where I wanted people to buy. This was M10. Let me go to M10 because this is where I found that setup. The setup was an M10. So if you can check on this zone here, we have,
SSE.
You don't know anything. You don't know anything about Wyckoff. This is the SSE.
SSE, but SSE. It looks like Wyckoff accumulation.
Yeah, it's Wyckoff accumulation that is here. That is Wyckoff accumulation.
I can see the spring over there.
Yeah, the spring is here. This is the test. But at the same time, when we go to supply and demand, I'll tell you, this is the significant supplier engulf. Why is a significant supplier engulf? I have everything that I need to look for me to confirm this is a significant supplier engulf. I've got a drop, I have a base, I have a drop.
And a drop.
This area is my zone. I want to see how market is going to react. Market get for the first time sell, second time sell. This time they failed to reach there. But already I know this zone is very significant zone to me. Market break this area, market return inside because of this demand we have here. If you go to the Telegram, you see I share these things because I saw it very early. Then I say, okay, this is what we need to do what? To buy. Because when I wake up, my first thing is to identify my market structure, identify my manipulation. When I get them, I know already this is what is going to happen. So if you remember, what I'm trying to show you is work with structure. Don't take a trade because you feel like taking a trade. As long as you can see again here, you see we have again the SSE is there. Market return, mitigate this area, buy, mitigate the zone that we have there. If you check on low time frame here, you find there is SDE is there. Market return to this zone here. After creating this SDE on this level, the SGB is on top. We take a sell, then we go to the downside. I'm not there, but I'm here. Then market gets on this area. We confirm this level, we buy. We go on this zone. We create another reaccumulation on this zone. Markets give us a spring, then market push to the upside. Again, same thing. You don't know about Wyckoff. What do you see here? We see the manipulation. The IMD.
I don't know about Wyckoff.
You are saying?
I said I don't know about Wyckoff.
Okay.
It's only the first mastic I know, which is the spring and the U-tide.
Okay.
The first, so the one that has the crest and this.
Yeah, so let me show you what I was telling you on that side about the IMD. We have this zone here. So simple, bro, to understand. When you see market is accumulating like this, you have your zone, you mark the low. Your eye is there. But when you are marking the eye and the low, one thing you need to pay attention is to look on both sides. Is there any decision point on top or any decision point down? For me, I see there was a decision point, the one that was down. This is what we call a base. We have our rally, we have our base market rally, market consolidates. If you don't know anything about Wyckoff, then market return first time, this is what? FTB. Then market did what? Buy. When market is buying, buy, our target is to take out this level. This is what we call the IMD in short terms. IMD, this is accumulation, manipulation, then this is distribution. They're accumulating, they manipulate the market to send people on the wrong side, then they distribute. So simple and straight. And these things, bro, they're happening like every single day in V75. Just take V75, check it, you'll see them. When they want to buy, they'll do such movement. Check again. We push to the upside. We get inside the decision points because here there was a decision point that is here that I identify here. Market did the same thing because we have a decision point on top. Here there was no any decision point that could make the market to come down again. Market break to the upside. Here we have what we call the equal highs. Here was the equal lows. At the same time, for us, we are using Wyckoff. I'll tell you, this is the accumulation, this is distribution, market break to the upside, markets give me the upthrust after distribution, this is the test that happened here, then the market break to the downside. While we know this manipulation, what will stop you to make money? You know what happened, you know everything. Then what you have to do, if you remember in the group, I was fighting with Frano, I don't know Frano. I was telling him he was wondering why did V75 sold again from this area? He think market could use this block. But you need to understand, what is the 50% of all this movement? Where is the 50% of all this movement? That is what you need to pay more attention to it. Then let me go to M15 maybe, so that we can get it properly. You are waiting for 50%. You are waiting for the block market to sell maybe from this block. But market just come and respect the 50% zone. This is what I was telling him in the morning. I teach these things. I show them in my YouTube. But people don't pay attention to what I'm telling them. Market just drop. Return back all the way up. Just to come and confirm the 50% of all this movement to do it, to sell again. Bro, believe me, if you are doing these things like every single day, you're gonna get a proper reward that maybe you never get before. And what I'm telling you that these things happen every single day, most especially this manipulation. I know this side, maybe you don't pay attention to it, but when you go and review the video, you understand. You see what happened here?
Yeah, I can see.
Market create another equal highs from this area.
Equal highs there.
There is equal highs. Market break to the upside to go and mitigate that zone. Market did what? Market drop. Market compress. We have a signal. Market compress. PA is there.
That is 3 towards the decision point.
You see, market mitigate the decision point, the one that is there. Market come down, to the upside. Market did what? Check the movement.
Drop.
You know already the safest take profit is where? Is here.
Is that place, yeah. Exactly. Price broke it then.
Price broke this one. Return inside because we have inefficiency, the one that is here. Price fill all the inefficiency, then price drop again. Safe TP, the one that is here. The one that is here, market drop. Why are you not gonna make money if you know such story? How do you even fail if you know such movement? My brother.
Person will surely make money.
Yeah, so this is what I wanted to show with you. And these things happen in anything that you know. Let me just touch NASDAQ before I close, because I see someone is looking at me and she's angry. So let me show you. I sent this picture in the group. Here, if you check, I was doing the back testing because if you remember, I shared this analysis from here when market was selling on top, but I just went back to practice this complex pullback. Why am I calling this complex pullback? Maybe you're gonna ask yourself a question. How is this guy calling this one complex pullback when it is a normal structure? It's not a normal structure, it's a complex pullback. I'm gonna tell you why it's a complex pullback. Let me go to daily time frame. This is a complex pullback because this is my structure. I have my I have my higher low, my higher I have my higher low. Then from this higher low, I wanted market to do what? To start buying, to go to the upside. Then market was still playing inside this range. You see, this was my range. So from there up, this low was my range. Like I have my premium and my discount, my equilibrium there. Then market start buying. When market is buying, I wanna see a signal of telling me that I'm going to the upside. So the signal, I got it from here, where market buy, see market sell, market buy, break my last lower high, return inside, confirm this area, we push to the upside. This is what I look. Then you see market break this area. You see at the same time, market create what you call SSE on this zone here. Then market come to the downside, market start pushing to the upside. Now market start coming to the downside. How do you call this movement? Is the one that I told you. For me, it's a complex pullback because I'm still inside a range. And one thing, market haven't break that range. Anything that is happening here for me is just a complex pullback inside my range. We break this SSE, market now start coming down. How is the market coming down? You don't know structure, you just put your line there, your momentum line for this accumulation, then market starts dropping. Check how market is dropping. I can go maybe to H2 for you to get it properly. Market is doing what? Is coming to the downside. We know we have a level where market's supposed to come. We have this base, the one that is here, you see? This base was the one that helped us to break this higher point, like here. To break this higher point. Then market doing what? Continue dropping. Market is dropping. Then how is the market dropping? Let's say you don't know about this other higher time frame structure. For you, this is a normal structure, a big one that you need to follow. This is the one that you need to follow. Then you check, market creates an SDE. We have a proper SDE from this zone here, where market was failing to break, market break it, then market test this candlestick, the one we have there, markets come to the downside. Let me zoom again here. Then you check, here market didn't even return back to the SDE by itself, but you can check on my back testing. I even put this one because I was expecting market to return back inside there so that I can sell, but market fell. This is why I wrote missing entry. So market never returned to this area. Then market compress. They use this MPL King. This week was being engulfed by this week. I took the entry there, market drop. When market is dropping, it's always fail to break this area. Push again to the upside. On this area, we got another MPL. This small week was being engulfed by this week. Then check the way market drop. Break this zone. We expect market to return back to that area. Here, market use what we call the SR flip. If you can check properly, market use the SR flip. This is the last point. You see, this is the last point after the break structure here. They come, they print this area, they pull back. This is H2. If we go to H1, then you understand the structure on H1 going to the upside, like a trend where people, they say, okay, I'm in an uptrend. but they forgot how the structure it is. Then we come to the downside, we return here, we use the SR flip there, check the way market mitigate because we have this hidden base, the one that is there. Market come to the downside, fail again to break this area. When market break this area, this is what we call, for us, we are using supply and demand. You know already, this is your SDE. Market break this area, return to the SGB, then
go up again to the SGB.
And if you can check, I mark almost all the time that market was doing what? Was selling. You can see majority is 9:30 or half past. That is how market is doing. 8:30, 1:30, 9:30. Then market did what? Continue going to the downside, downside, downside until we get to the level. Remember this level, I mark it on H4. We test for the first time, market buy, because we have the last lower high. Let me just do something like this. We have the last lower high. This was lower low. Market give us the lower low again. Return to this decision point. Print another lower high, sorry. Then we have a lower low. Market going to the upside, show us a signal that they break this area. They did what? This is the level that break this level. We have the BOS there. Let me delete them. Yeah. We have the BOS there. Then market did what? Push to the upside. But I still believe market, you see? After they break now the measure one, the one that is there, they never return back. Only here, market return to come and mitigate this area, but all this level. Now one thing you need to pay attention to is, okay, people sometimes they need the full body to show that market return. But what about this week? Let me delete that one. Do you see this week? Do you see it? It come and engulf all this zone here. It engulfs this zone and push to the upside. Market accumulating again from this area. Market break to the upside. On my back testing also, I was expecting market to return to this block so that I can buy. And market never returned to this block. Then it fly up, never return back to this zone. So anytime Nasdaq starts smoking and start coming to the downside, this is the level where I'll buy. This is where it's gonna come. Why? Because this zone is very important. We have this decision level that was being used to break, to grab all liquidity on top here, and market never returned to it. Market only returned to that small block, then continue to the upside. So bro, this is what I wanted to share with you. It's just you to go and practice and put more work to it. Then you're gonna see the best result of your trading style. Because I know already you have knowledge, you understand all this concept. The only thing that remains small is just for you to put more work and understand how things they are working. So this is just what I wanted to share with you.
Thank you, brother.
Sharp, man.
Thank you so much.
Sharp.
Thank you so much.
Sharp, bro. I'm gonna send you this.
Yeah, God bless you.
I record it, then I'm going to send it to you. Enjoy.
Okay. Okay.